Microsoft Teams is getting a feature that will make your meetings noise-free. Microsoft, over the past couple of months, has added a host of new features to its video conferencing platform Microsoft Teams. These features and functionalities have not only improved the overall experience of the users, but they have also made it easier for them to work efficiently amid the pandemic. Now, word is that Microsoft is working on another feature that will make this experience even better. The Redmond, Washington-based company is working on a new feature called AI-based noise detection that will make users' meetings noise-free. As per a report by Windows Latest, this AI-based noise detection feature builds on top of the Teams' existing noise suppression feature, and it will enable users to eliminate background noise such as whirling of a fan, keyboard typing noise, mic issues and other disturbing background sounds. The company, as per the report, has been working on this feature for quite some time now, and it has been training its AI using its own internal meetings. AI-based noise suppression works by analyzing an individual's audio feed and using specially trained deep neural networks to filter out the noise and retain only the speech signal. The high setting is new and will suppress more background noise, the company wrote in its roadmap. The AI-based noise detection feature is expected to arrive sometime in November this year. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.